Hi everyone, welcome to Geek Decoders YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Power BI tables. So this is the output actually I'm trying to take here by using the conditional format. So in my example, in my profit example, so the target value is set to 6,000, and if the value greater than 6,000, it will show green color in this table, and if it's less than that, then it will show red color. So that will be my example. Okay, let's see how we are going to do that. So I'm going to a same dashboard like in the previous page without a conditional formatting to this table, and I select the table here, and then I go to format. Then in format there's a format, under the format there's a section called conditional formatting, right? So in here I'm going to add conditional format into the profit column. So in here I select, I'm going to the conditional formatting again, right? Conditional formatting, I'm selecting the field as profit, and I want to add the conditional format into the background. So I'll select background. So as you can see, automatically it gives formatting based on the profit value, but here we want to customize it, right? So for that, go to advanced control. So there are two methods. I'll show you the first method. Go to rules, right? So now it fetches all the required values for us. Then if it's greater than or equal to 0, and we have to select the number here, because we are taking the number here, not percentages, and less than to 6,000, the color should be red, and we want to insert another rule. So if it is greater than or equal to 6,000, and that value also should be number, and less than to, we'll give a kind of very big value here, right? So then the value should be green, right? Let's see what will be the output, right? So the desired output that we can take by using that method. And here there are a few other options as well. So we can add conditional formattings to the just only the values, and same time values and totals. So as you can see, 88,598 also becomes, it displays the value according to the conditional formatting that we have given, and the same time we can give it to only to the totals as well. So if we add it to just only total, so it gives only for the totals. So that is the method number 1. So method number 2 is, again, go to the advanced control, select color scale here, then all the required fields are being taken here, right, based on the sum of profit value, summarization applied to, so I'll give values, default formatting, so everything was taken default. If it's not there, so you have to add those. Then we have to select here minimum as custom, then select the value of red and select the enter value as 6,000, right? So that is the minimum value. And the maximum value, so we have to select custom value 6,000, and then we have to select green here. So the color scale will diverge from red to green, but since we have given the same value, it gives only very clear cut values for our table, right? As you can see, the desired output is being taken by using that method as well. But here the more preferred way is to use rules, because rule is defined or inbuilt for that purpose. So these are the two methods we can do conditional formatting in Power BI. So there are some other ways as well. We can use field value, etc. So try it, and if you have any questions, please please raise it. And thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends, and please keep in touch for more videos. Thank you very much. So here's your output.